You're on top of the stump with your back tire. Oh, it's going back! It's going that way.
I was able to finally get this cover open. Ended up using just a pipe wrench because this bolt is it's almost round. It's in pretty rough shape. So got it open. Gonna get some grease into that jerk fitting right there and try to tension this track up a little bit. The other side's pretty good, but this side's pretty slack.
It's Memorial Day weekend and we just got here. It's Friday and Paul's out fixing the driveway and I am going to attempt the fireplace for lunch. Wish me luck. This is not always my strong suit. So here we have the traditional Lincoln log build that I believe is what I've been taught. I'm going to try to use my handy dandy electric fire starter thingy, which actually works pretty well. Means I don't burn myself, which I might. Oh, that's catching. It's catching over there, so we'll just let it go. Let's see. Did I do it right? I always worry about the paper to twig ratio and then the split wood on top of that, which is Paul's. I've tried splitting wood. It's not pretty. I mean, that looks promising. I made fire! Yay! I feel like Tom Hanks on Castaway. It's going that way. Ah. That's my job, I guess. Watch in morning. Don't try this at home, kiddos. Chainsaw's stuck. I'm going to get a ratchet strap to see if we can free the chainsaw. The tree wants to fall the opposite way that we thought it wanted to fall.
Why'd you start dragging the bulldozer backwards?
Oh, careful, 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 careful. Oh, the top looks like it's moving. Whoops. Didn't mean to curse. There you go. All right, now what? Release the Kraken? Do you think it'll fall? It's going to go. Yep, it's going. Yeah. Woo! Nope. Oh, that's awesome. And
Anticlimactic.
yeah. I mean, so what do you got to do now? Please don't get hit by...
I'll just cut from this side.
Okay.
We don't want to be on the back side of this.
No. Nope.
Love it when the plan comes together.
Yeah. I thought for sure it was going down, though. Exit strategy. I'm too busy staring up at the sky. Paul got the tractor buried in this fantastic mud pit we have right now. It is sliding down the side of the mountain, so we're hoping to get it out ourselves because the bulldozer is acting up too, and we don't want to use that. Oh, it's just one of those times where I should have quit earlier. Up a little higher? That's higher. Do you need that other one? Maybe just reinforce it? It's sliding a little bit. You're on top of the stump with your back tire. It's not funny. Sorry. Don't be mad.
That's why he's up there.
I keep moving back because I'm petrified I don't want to be like the Wicked Witch of the West underneath the tractor. This is what's growing out here as I'm trying to hide from the tractor. These trees are ridiculous, the big spikes. Alright, it's on the board. He's rolling forward. That front end keeps slipping. Sliding. Ooh. We got these roots in the front that he's hoping he can. Nope. Nope. I gotta get out there and help him. Try. Nope. 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 It's tipping. Anywhere. Looks good. It looks like it. It looks good. I think. Because I'm not getting anywhere near you because I'm petrified. And he's out. Oh, thank God. I was just leaving to go get flowers, which I'm going to go do. But at least I don't have to worry about coming home to him being pinned underneath that tractor. And that is why I'm ready to go home, but not yet.